Hello, I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk about how to get better sleep. Research shows that it's not just the amount of sleep you get, but it's when you sleep also that determines how rested you feel when you wake up and how restorative your sleep is. It turns out that the kind of sleep you get in the first part of the night is the non-REM sleep, which is the most restorative sleep, because the REM sleep, which tends to happen in the second part of the night, is when you're dreaming, when your eyes are moving, when your muscles are twitching, and it's a lighter and less restorative sleep. So this is why you'll feel more rested if you go to bed when, let's say 9 o'clock at night or 10 o'clock at night. And so that's what I recommend. In terms of when you go to sleep, another way you can think about it is you sleep when it's dark out. So when it's winter, it's better to go to bed even earlier than when it's summer, for instance. It's also important, indeed, to get the 8 hours of sleep. So do try to get an entire 8 hours of sleep every night. Another thing to think about when you're trying to optimize your sleep is your hypothalamus, pituitary, and adrenal axis. It's really important that all three of those glands are well functioning in order for your sleep to be great. So one thing you can do to improve your hypothalamus, pituitary, adrenal function is to take Rehmannia, echinacea, ashwagandha, and licorice root, which help to reset your circadian rhythm and restore your adrenal glands and calm your whole nervous system. To determine the health of your adrenal glands, as well as your hypothalamus and pituitary glands, you can use the hair tissue mineral analysis, which gives you insight into those glands. Also, the hair tissue mineral analysis will tell you what your mineral levels are as well as your toxin levels. And when your mineral levels are low, that can interfere with your sleep. And when your toxin levels are high, that can interfere with your sleep. That's one of the reasons why magnesium can be so helpful to improve sleep. Because it's one of the minerals that the body works with in order to get good restorative sleep. Sleep hygiene is essentially the habits and the environment that you have around your sleep, and all of that can be controlled for to optimize your sleep. So make sure that the temperature of the room is optimized for you. I prefer a cool room. Also that there's not a lot of sounds that can wake you up. It can often be quite helpful to have an air filter running so the quality of the air is quite good, and then that sound of the fan is blocking out other sounds. Also, you want to avoid caffeine after noon, because that will help you get the kind of sleep you're looking for at the time of day that you're looking for it. Avoiding blue light after sunset can be really important to optimize your sleep. So things like TV, computer screens, your phone, if you need to use them, you can get a blue light filter glasses that will help with that. Also, another factor to consider is going to bed at the same time every day and waking up at the same time every day. That can make a big difference in the quality of rest that you're getting each night. Supplements can be extremely helpful in improving your sleep, but it's really important to avoid the most common supplement taken for sleep, which is melatonin, because it can interrupt the body's own capacity to create melatonin, which can get you into a cycle of having ever more difficulty with sleeping. So supplements that help to optimize the overall health of your body and restore sleep over time, such that you may or may not need those supplements over time, are supplements, as I've mentioned before, the magnesium, also the Rehmannia, echinacea, ashwagandha, and licorice root in the real tonic formulation. But also the other supplements to consider are 5-HTP is a great one for improving sleep, as well as GABA, as well as glycine. And then also minerals, like we spoke before about, to optimize all your mineral levels, not just your magnesium levels, so that your body has enough minerals to get that deep kind of sleep that you're looking for. So those are some ideas about how to improve your sleep. And if you need any support whatsoever to create a sleep hygiene program or a sleep protocol to improve your sleep, please do reach out to us for support and a personalized program. Even I do consultations, and you can reach us at optimalhealthnetwork.com. Call us at 608-242-0200, and we would love to support you with your health.